little video before I do any snow shoveling. Their backyard isn't quite as heavy as ours is for some reason. They have these nice cold roads. This thing is enormous, this drift. Garbage cans knocked over. The wind is bitter. Ooh, it's bitter. In the backyard. I don't know if you could see this, but that fence is it's about a 6-foot fence. It's a 6-foot fence, and the snow is about halfway up the fence, about 4 feet deep. Look in the back there, you can see that ridge. That ridge is huge. Of course, in the back porch here, the back door is completely impossible. We've got ice cream. It's so enormous, it's unbelievable. Wow. And I guess I'm going to start walking and see if I can get through this. Yeah, it's deep in places. So we're going to take a pause here. And we'll make another video here. We'll try this again, only now I've got some gloves. At least one glove, I can't find the other. We're going to come walking out here. So we got some serious drifting going on. Well, snow is deceptive as to how deep it is. Nice. Got a fellow walking here, you can kind of get a feel for how deep it is. Morning. It's not so bad anymore on this one. But drifting seems to be the only. Alright. Okay, I'm getting out of Dodge. Getting back in and get myself a nice warm coffee. Alright, take a little video here. I'm going to try. If you can look down here, you can see I'm up to my knees. It's my knee in the snow. I am not going to walk through that deep snow, but I figured if I walked out here, you could get an idea of how deep this really is. Woo, we got ourselves a nice sized drift out there. Yeah. And it looks like, well, that's a 4.5 foot fence, I believe, or no, it's a 4-foot fence, but look at the drift, 4 feet tall. And I can barely walk in this deep snow. Let's see if I can pull my legs up here. Alright, here we go. I made it, huh? Yep. And you can see the drifting on the roof of this thing. It's not that deep all the way across, but it is considerable. And the rest of the roof is more a steady. But if you look up here, you can see it cut through some of the drift, so you can get an impression of how deep it really is. And I got a lot of work ahead of me. I don't look forward to this. Sure, it's me and some. At least half of my driveway is already done just because the drifter pushed it. But and again, we got this. This is significant. How deep is this? This is all the way up to. It's over my knees. Over my knees. It's right up front there. I haven't even went out into the street to see what it looks like from the street road. There's a policeman going by. Hey, hey, hey. He's busy. But it appears as though it's completely snow covered, but not more than an inch or so deep out there. If I walk this way, I'm walking right into the drift. To my knees, and of course the cloud stuff's over my knees, so that's going to be nasty. That will be really nasty. But Dad, if you see this video, or whoever does, you can see the great blizzard of 2011. At least what it looks like here in Woodstock on 410 Lake Avenue. Signing off, this is Dave. There's Christy, she's digging out her tunnel. She's on one side, Johnny's on the other. They're going to make their intercontinental divide real soon. Hey, don't throw it into my big thing. Oh well. I got, as we can see here, That's right. And we've got all these big piles here to get through. And there's Ben working up a storm. Pound that away there, boy.
Yeah. Hey, keep working. Can you wait, Christy? We have to get out of here first.
Christy got her tunnel done. There she goes. So Ben, what's your opinion on this snow for Uncle Charlie and anybody else who's here in this there?
I guess it would be pretty bad. Bad because it's really deep. Good because I could help people shovel out for money.
Ever the entrepreneur. Here, but whew, starting to see mountains so high I can't see over them. Alright people, I'm going to let you go. Just needed a few minutes break from this shoveling business. So we got a video first here. Hey.
Okay, pretty worn out, but okay.
Yeah, we do a little walk in here. We got ourselves 5-foot hills that we have made. And we cut everything out except the very end, which I'll do in an hour or so when we're ready. Just didn't want to let the dog get out when he was running free. So we took a little video here. The kids got their tunnel done. Good to go. And yeah, we blocked off one end a little bit with some of the stove trouble. They'll figure that out. Alright. So, we are done for now.